Welcome back to another video, everyone. Today, me and my brother, we're gonna be taking my little boat out. We're going on a little river. Oh yeah, it's pretty small. And we're going after crappie, walleye, and possibly some white bass, and then like pike and largemouth. Mainly whatever bites, but gloomy out. Been sprinkling off and on, but we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's almost a keeper. Huh? You got a tape measure? What's in his mouth? Oh no, he ate this fucker. Dude, yeah. Hey, it's a fish though. I thought it was a walleye. That's why I said bacon. You got pliers? I just hate treble hooks. Oh. That popped out really easy. Let him go. Jesus. Dude, he's chilling right there. Really? Monster catfish. Oh my god. What was that? Dude, no, I swear to God, it looked like a catfish. Yeah. Oh my God. I think it's a catfish. No way.
I can't really see it when it comes up. It's gonna be a real Debbie Downer if it's a carp. No way that's a... What?
Oh. Croc down. Buffalo carp. Josh, you got a walleye. Got on a little like Panther Martin. I've caught in 3 now. Josh has gotten 1 in that big buffalo carp that has now stayed with us for like 10 minutes, but that's okay. I was like, that's a branch? Nope. It's a little bass. I thought it was a walleye. Caught it on a minnow. Little bass. Oh, is that a walleye? What's with us and thinking everything's a walleye today? That's a decent. Not really, actually. That's a little pike. Josh got a... Oh, it is a small one. I thought it was a walleye. Dude, he got 8 foot deep. Is that a pike?
Oh my God, no, it's a bass.
Get the net.
Dude, that's a big one.
Dude, it's dogging. Get the net ready. Dude, this is awesome. My day just, that's a 4-pounder.
It's 5 probably.
Dude,
not the cap.
Dude, that's fat. It's not long at all. But that is.
That probably is mid-4th. Yeah,
dude, I got my top water fish of the day. I'm gonna get a couple pictures and then I'll let them go. Get the net. Oh, what is that?
Big old
Catfish. That's crazy. Dude, that is cool. My drag is not working. Dude, that's a big catfish. Motor. This is insane. Get ready. Oh, it's not that big. Yes, it's just a fighter. Dude, that's a catfish chasing those minnows. Chew.
Hey.